Hello everyone, welcome to Academy Solutions. So today we are going to learn how you can see where to see or where to locate the pips in your MP4 or MP5. So you are going to select this one, this object 9, and then by measuring it, just click and drag. We're going to measure the pips from here to here. So as you can see, there's the first number, which is 3728, and that is the bar. As you can see, so the second number is the points, and that is where the pips. So the pips is 458. So you don't need to include the 0 because the last number will not be included. So if we drag it below, as you can see, the pips here is 232. So do not include the 9. So that's it. Thank you so much. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.